Have you ever heard that papaya leaves, the leaves that are thought to be used only to wrap food or thrown away, are considered a natural miracle drug that helps protect and restore human health? In many traditional medicines, especially in Asia, papaya leaves are considered a forgotten treasure trove of nutrients, containing rare active ingredients that can help boost immunity, aid digestion, reduce inflammation, detoxify the liver, and even prevent the development of cancer cells. But why does such a simple leaf have such magical power? What makes many people call it the leaf of life? And more importantly, are papaya leaves really safe to use every day? In today's video, let us explore with Vitality Daily Dose 12 surprising uses of papaya leaves. Uses that may make you look at this familiar plant in your garden with a completely different eye. Things that may surprise you and make you wonder why you didn't know about them sooner. We'll show you how to prepare papaya leaves for healing and what to consider. Get ready, because you're about to learn the secret of a green elixir, a wonderful gift that nature has given us. 1. Papaya leaves help protect and restore liver function. The liver is considered the body's filter factory, where drugs are processed, toxins are filtered from food, and even from the polluted environment around us. However, over time, the liver can become damaged due to an unhealthy diet, excessive alcohol consumption, or prolonged use of antibiotics. Papaya leaves produce glutathione, a natural antioxidant, which is extremely important for the liver. Glutathione acts as a biological cleanser, helping to neutralize free radicals, heavy metals, and toxic chemicals. Thanks to that, the liver can rest and regenerate cells better. Dr. Joseph Mekala, a famous expert in functional medicine in the US, once shared that papaya leaf extract not only helps reduce hepatitis, but also supports the recovery of damaged liver cells, especially in cases such as fatty liver, hepatitis B or C. If you drink a lot, stay up late, or eat fatty foods, try papaya leaf tea to help detox your liver. After a few weeks, you may notice that your body is lighter, your skin is brighter, and you feel less tired, for no apparent reason. 2. Support digestion and improve intestinal health. Papaya leaves contain two extremely powerful enzymes, papain and chymopin. These are substances that are so effective at breaking down proteins that in the food industry, they are also used to tenderize meat. So imagine what would happen if that enzyme were introduced into your body. Yes, they will help the digestive system work more gently, reduce the load on the stomach, help food to be broken down quickly and thoroughly. As a result, you will feel lighter after each meal, less bloated, less flatulence, and especially limit chronic constipation. For those who are suffering from digestive disorders or irritable bowel syndrome, this is truly a gift from nature. 3. Papaya leaves also have natural antibacterial and antiparasitic properties. They help clean the intestines, kill worms, and eliminate harmful bacteria. This is extremely important because a clean intestine is the foundation for a healthy digestive system. And when digestion is good, the body will also absorb nutrients more effectively. More specifically, papaya leaves also help protect the stomach lining, supporting the treatment of diseases such as stomach ulcers or colitis. Compounds in the leaves have the ability to soothe inflammation, reduce excess acid secretion, and promote the healing process of internal damage. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Plant Studies has shown that papaya leaf extract can significantly improve constipation and abdominal pain symptoms. caused by digestive disorders after just a few weeks of use. 4. Papaya leaves can support the treatment of cancer. In experiments in Japan and Australia, papaya leaf extract has been shown to activate the apoptosis process, which is the process of cancer cells self-destructing. In other words, papaya helps awaken the body's natural mechanism to control the growth of malignant cells. Some types of cancer, such as breast cancer, liver cancer, and pancreatic cancer, have shown positive responses in preliminary studies. In addition, thanks to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, papaya leaves help reduce the side effects of chemotherapy, increase resistance, and improve the quality of life for cancer patients. Of course, papaya leaves are not a cure for cancer, and do not replace modern treatments such as chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or surgery, but are a complementary therapy to help the patient's body have more weapons to fight. 5. Helps strengthen the immune system. Papaya leaves have the ability to support the immune system, thanks to the abundant amount of vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants. These substances help stimulate the production of white blood cells, also known as soldier cells, in the body's immune system. Professor Hiroshi Maruta at the Japanese Institute of International Medicine said that the essence extracted from papaya leaves not only protects cells from damage by free radicals, but also helps enhance the immune response. This is extremely useful in preventing flu, colds, and common mild infections, especially for the elderly, whose immune systems weaken over time. Supplementing with natural substances to help strengthen defenses is extremely important. 6. Strong anti-inflammatory ability. In many chronic diseases, such as arthritis, enteritis, or even immune disorders, inflammation is a silent but extremely dangerous reaction. Chronic inflammation is at the root of most diseases, and papaya leaves may be the natural key to controlling this inflammation. Compounds such as flavonoids, alkaloids, and tannins in the leaves neutralize free radicals and inhibit the production of inflammatory substances in the body. People with arthritis, frequent muscle aches, or ligament pain after injury can all feel the improvement after a period of using papaya leaf, tea, or juice. An interesting thing is that papaya leaves also help soothe inflammatory reactions on the skin. For conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, or inflammatory acne, applying papaya leaf juice to the skin or gently washing the face can help reduce redness, reduce itching, and speed up the skin recovery process. 7. Skincare, beauty and prevention of premature aging. Papaya leaves are rich in vitamin A, C, and enzymes with strong antioxidant properties. These substances help prevent premature aging by stimulating the production of collagen, a protein that keeps the skin smooth and elastic. In addition to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, papaya leaves also help treat acne effectively. Whether it is inflammatory acne, blackheads, or allergic acne, washing your face with papaya leaf water or applying a mask made from crushed fresh leaves can help soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. People with melasma or mild freckles can also see significant improvement. If you use it persistently, you can drink papaya leaf tea and use it as a natural perfume, which is simple, economical, and does not contain toxic chemicals like some industrial products. 8. Papaya leaves help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss effectively. Papaya leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for nourishing the scalp. restoring hair follicles and stimulating hair to grow faster, thicker, and healthier. Not only that, the antioxidants in the leaves also help protect the scalp from environmental damage, prevent dandruff, and slow down the process of premature graying. Papaya leaves not only provide essential nutrients, but also help balance oil and clean the scalp naturally. You can use papaya leaves to make tea to drink or crush them to apply onto your hair as a mask. After a few weeks of perseverance, you will feel your hair become softer, less prone to falling out, and visibly stronger. A completely natural and economical method, without containing harmful chemicals like many industrial products. 9. Papaya leaves help reduce menstrual cramps and premenstrual symptoms. The enzyme papain in papaya leaves has the effect of gently relaxing the uterine muscles, thereby reducing strong contractions that cause pain during menstruation. Many women share that after using papaya leaf tea a few days before and during their period, they feel less pain, less irritable, and more comfortable. Not only that, papaya leaves also help balance female hormones, reduce headaches, fatigue, chest tightness, or mood swings that many people experience before menstruation. However, a very important note: pregnant women should absolutely not use papaya leaves, because some active ingredients can affect the uterus and cause unwanted contractions. For those who intend to use it for a long time, please consult your doctor first. 10. Stabilizes blood sugar. Supports diabetes. The reason lies in the antioxidants in the leaves. They help increase insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively to remove sugar from the blood, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of complications. Studies on diabetic MX mice have recorded very positive results. After just a few weeks of using papaya leaf extract, their blood sugar levels dropped significantly. Of course, we need more human studies to absolutely confirm this benefit. But experts suggest papaya leaf tea or juice as a natural aid for type 2 diabetes. 11. Improves platelet count. Studies in India and Malaysia showed that dengue patients who used papaya leaf juice had a significantly faster recovery rate and platelet count than the group that did not use it. The ingredients in the leaves seem to stimulate the bone marrow to produce platelets, helping the blood clot better and the body recover faster. In addition, those who are undergoing chemotherapy or have diseases such as bone marrow failure or autoimmune thrombocytopenia can also consider using papaya leaves as a supportive method, of course, under the guidance of a doctor. 12. Papaya leaves support the treatment of malaria for a long time. In folk medicine, people in tropical regions have used papaya leaves as a supportive measure to treat malaria. Modern studies have found that papaya leaves contain alkaloids and flavonoids, compounds that can inhibit the growth of Plasmodium parasites, the agent that causes malaria. This does not mean that you should give up traditional treatment drugs. Absolutely not. But supplementing papaya leaves in the form of tea or juice in reasonable doses and under the guidance of a doctor can help shorten recovery time, reduce symptoms, and increase the body's resistance during treatment. In addition, the cooling, anti-inflammatory, and thrombocytopenic properties of papaya leaves also help support the treatment of other tropical diseases such as dengue fever, viral fever, or hepatitis. So, you see, papaya leaves are not just an appendage of the papaya tree, but are truly a precious gift of nature. From boosting immunity, purifying the liver, stabilizing blood sugar, to supporting cancer prevention. This humble leaf has incredible healing power. However, for best results, you should use fresh or dried papaya leaves in the right dosage, and consult your doctor if you have a chronic disease or are taking medication. And here are the two simplest and most popular ways to use papaya leaves: juice and tea. If you choose papaya leaf juice, start by preparing about 5 to 10 fresh papaya leaves, preferably young leaves because they are less bitter. After washing, chop them up and put them in a blender with a little filtered water. Blend until smooth and filter the juice. Because this juice is quite bitter, you can add a little honey or lemon juice to make it easier to drink. The appropriate dose for beginners is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Drink about 30 minutes before meals. After a few days, if your body is used to it, you can increase it to a maximum of 30 milliliters at a time, but do not use it more than twice a day. If you find the juice difficult to drink, papaya leaf tea is a gentler and more pleasant option. You only need 4 to 6 papaya leaves. Wash them, cut them into small pieces. Put them in a pot with about 1 liter of water, boil them, then reduce the heat and cook for 10 minutes. Then turn off the stove and let it steep for another 5 minutes. Tea should be drunk warm without sugar. About 1 to 2 cups a day is ideal, especially after meals, to aid digestion. In addition, the leaf residue after making tea or the fresh, pureed leaves can also be used to make a skin mask or hair conditioner. You just need to apply a thin layer on the skin with acne, dark spots, or the hair roots. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with clean water. Persist several times a week, you will feel a clear change. However, like any gift from nature, papaya leaves also have a side that requires caution. Below are some important notes that you need to remember before using. Pregnant women should absolutely not use papaya leaves because there is a risk of causing uterine contractions. If you are allergic to papaya or latex, you should also not use them to avoid cross-allergic reactions. 12. People who are taking anticoagulants should consult a doctor before using them, because papaya leaves can increase the effect of the drug. Always start with a small dose. Observe your body for the first 2 to 3 days to see if there is any reaction. Then take a break for 5 to 7 days, after 3 to 4 weeks of continuous use, to give your body time to adjust and rest. Whether it is papaya leaves or any other herb, the most important thing is to listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently, and nothing is more precious than health when used wisely, carefully, and in moderation. And if you have ever tried papaya leaves, or after this video, you start to try, don't hesitate to share your feelings and experiences in the comments section. Each of your shares can be a source of inspiration for anyone else. If you find this video useful, please click the like button to support the channel, share with your loved ones, and do untruck it. To subscribe to Vitality Daily Dose to continue to accompany you with simple but meaningful health knowledge.